Dr. Tatheer Fatima, Associate Professor, Department of Home Science, Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti, Language University. Today we are going to discuss the topic concept of human development. The term development means a progressive series of changes that occurs as a result of maturation and experience. Before proceeding, I'll discuss about what is human development. Human development is the scientific study of the ways in which people change and in which they always remain the same from conception to death. मानव विकास क्या होता है? मानव विकास मानव का अध्ययन है जिसमें कि हम विकास के परिवर्तन को कॉन्सेप्शन से लेकर के और डेथ तक पढ़ते हैं. दो टर्म हमारे सामने आएगा, व्हाट इज ग्रोथ एंड व्हाट इज डेवलपमेंट. ग्रोथ इज फिजिकल चेंजेस while development is mental process, and growth stops at a certain time and development continues throughout lifespan. And growth is quantitative change, means change in quantity, change in height, change in weight, while development is qualitative change, means change in quality. क्वालिटी में चेंजेस होते हैं जब तो उसको हम डेवलपमेंट कहते हैं. And development is of different types, like physical development, mental development, cognitive development, social development, psychological development. These all are different types of development, and development also follows some laws, like cephalocaudal law. In Hindi we say that मस्तका अधोमुखी विकास, means जो डेवलपमेंट होता है वो हेड से फुट की तरफ जाता है. एंड लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल हम कह सकते हैं कि जब इन्फेंट पैदा होता है तो उसके गर्दन पर कंट्रोल नहीं होता है और बॉडी के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स पर भी कंट्रोल नहीं होता है, क्योंकि डेवलपमेंट फॉलोज अ डेफिनिट पैटर्न. पहले 3 से 4 महीने के अंदर गर्दन पर कंट्रोल होता है, नेक पर कंट्रोल होता है, लेकिन फिर भी ऐसा नहीं होता है कि इन्फेंट चलना स्टार्ट कर दे, बल्कि फिर क्रॉलिंग करता है, ट्रंक बाद में आता है नेक के, और फिर बैठना स्टार्ट करता है और लास्ट में चलना स्टार्ट करता है, क्योंकि वो सिफेलोकॉडल लॉ को फॉलो कर रहा होता है. सेकेंड लॉ इज प्रॉक्सिमोडिस्टल लॉ, मीन्स डेवलपमेंट गोज फ्रॉम सेंट्रल एक्सिस टू द एक्सट्रीमिटीज. डेवलपमेंट निकट से दूर दिशा के में विकास को कहते हैं प्रॉक्सिमोडिस्टल लॉ. फॉर एग्जांपल जब हम बच्चे को इन्फेंट को कोई चीज़ खाने के लिए देते हैं तो ऐसा नहीं होता है कि वो सीधे जैसे हम और आप खाते हैं सीधे वो मुंह में ले जा कर के खा ले, बल्कि क्या करता है कि जो भी लेता है खाने के लिए वो मुंह के आसपास या कपड़ों में कहीं लगा लेता है. क्यों? क्योंकि फिंगर्स लास्ट में आती हैं, आर्म्स पर कंट्रोल होता है, लिम्स पे कंट्रोल होता है, और फाइन मोटर डेवलपमेंट पर सबसे लास्ट में कंट्रोल होता है. फिंगर्स क्योंकि लास्ट में आती हैं इसलिए फिंगर्स पर कंट्रोल सबसे लास्ट में होता है. आफ्टर दैट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट डिफरेंट स्टेजेस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट. देयर आर द फर्स्ट developmental stage is prenatal stage. Prenatal stage is also divided in 3 sub stages. First one is zygotic stage. The zygotic stage starts from fertilization and ends to the 2nd week. In this stage of zygotic stage, the zygote passed to the from fallopian tube to the uterus. As we know, the fertilization takes place in the fallopian tube, and within 10 or 15 days it gets implanted in the uterine wall. And in zygotic stage the zygote is divided in 2 parts, that is inner layer and outer layer. Outer layer converts in amniotic sac, fallopian tube and umbilical cord, and the inner layer converts in new human being. And the second stage is embryonic stage, and this stage starts from second week and ends to the second lunar month. And in this stage, all the essential features of the body, both internal and external, established. And the third stage is fetal stage, and this stage starts from the end of the second lunar month and ends till birth. And in this stage, the fetal body is completely formed of a normal full-term infant. And the second stage of development is infancy. Infancy is divided in two sub-stages, that is perinatal stage and neonatal stage. Perinatal stage starts from the birth to till the umbilical cord is cut and tied. In this stage, the infant is a parasite, and in neonatal stage, that starts from the umbilical cord is cut to 2 weeks, and in this stage, the infant is not a parasite, and during this stage, the infant starts to adjust with the environment. And the next stage is babyhood, which starts from second week and ends to the second year. In this stage, the baby is in foundation age, and the rapid growth and development takes place, and this stage is also called as the beginning of socialization. And next stage is childhood. Childhood starts from 2 years and ends to 11 or 12 years. Childhood is also divided into sub-stages, that is early childhood and late childhood. Early childhood is from 2 to 6 years, and early childhood is also called as preschool age, pre-gang age, questioning age, imitating age, appealing age. Why we call this appealing age? Because the child looks attractive in this stage, that is early childhood. This stage is also called as toy age, because in this stage child wants to play more and more. And the next stage is late childhood, and late childhood starts from 6 years and ends to 11 or 12 years. This stage is also called as elementary age or school age, because in this stage the proper schooling starts. And this stage is also called as gang age, and troublesome age, sloppy age, and quarrelsome age. In this stage, late childhood, the child starts quarreling also. And after that, the next stage is adolescence stage, and this stage starts from 12 years and ends to 18 years. This stage is also called as a period of heightened emotionality, period of storm and stress. And the next stage is early adulthood, that starts from 18 years and ends to 40 years. And the next stage is middle age, that starts from 40 years and ends to 60 years. And the last stage is old age, that starts from 60 years and ends till death. In next class, in next lecture, I will discuss details about different stages of development. Thank you so much.